Hey guys, as a new RVer, you're probably worried about your black tanks and your gray tanks. So my question is, do you have a handle on your gray tank and your black tank? Not do you know how to use them. I know you're watching YouTube videos about them, but do you have an actual handle? Because mine fell off. So we were at a camp and we pulled in on Friday. I didn't hook the septic up until Sunday, or the stinky slinky up until Sunday. And the reason I didn't do that is because I knew I'd only need to pump it out on Sunday, so I figured I'd grab it, touch it once, pump it, put it back, everything would be good. But when I came around, I noticed that this handle off of my gray tank was missing. And when I put it on one of my Facebook groups that I belong to, I found out that a lot of you are missing your gray tank handles. So here's a hint: if it's a new camper or it's a fully functioning valve, there's no malfunctions or anything, if you ever come across this and your tank handle is missing, it's basically just, it's vibrated off the nut. The screw that goes in on the handle right here has fallen out. And all you got to do is you can grab a pair of channel locks and pull this straight out and use it that day. Also, if you can't do that, you can take the black handle off and put it over here temporarily so you can pull your gray tank. But for under $7, I ordered a new gray tank handle on Amazon, and I'm going to put that on right now. And they're all pretty standard, so it just goes on there like that. And then there's a screw right here in the middle. In fact, it has the same exact markings on it as the black tank has engraved in the plastic. So there it is. There's my new one. Now, I did go, and on the way over here to Ace Hardware, because I wanted to grab some Loctite so that I can make sure that that doesn't move. But they didn't have what I wanted. I either wanted the blue or the purple Loctite. All they had was the red, the permanent, and I really wanted one that would let me get this off later on. So anyhow, that's it. Quick fix, and suddenly we have a gray tank handle again. I may actually order an extra gray and black handle just to put in my little group of parts there, so that we have them. Now, one thing that came up while I was talking about the gray tank handle falling off was people, especially on the Kodiak sites, were talking about these plastic skirtings here, and to go through and just make sure you tighten up all your bolts here to make sure that they are tight. I had one that was a little loose there. That one's okay. That one's okay. But it just beats this thing trying to fly off on the highway when you're going 65 miles an hour down the road. So look at that. That one right there was loose. Let's go to the other side and do it. So there you have it. We replaced the blue and we replaced the gray valve that came loose while we were driving, and we also tightened up the nuts that somebody told me about in the user groups. If you're not a member of these user groups online, you really need to join them. I would definitely join your specific one. I belong to one that's for the Kodiak, Dutchman Kodiaks. And I also am a member of a new user group called Newbies We Can All Learn From, which I really enjoy. But they actually told me to check these skirtings, so it must be other trailers, not just mine. So just an FYI, it's kind of like a Harley, I guess. You got to torque them down. Talk to you soon. This is Todd from the Mulligans blog. If you see something you like here, subscribe, like the video, check the bell, so that you'll get notified when I put new content up. We do Miata and RV content. Hope you guys have a great day.